Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a makeup collection video. I'm very excited to do this. My two favorite videos to watch besides what I got for Christmas hauls are makeup declutters and makeup collection videos. And today I'm going to be filming mine. I did bring it up in my first two videos about doing my makeup collection video, so I figured that I should do it. So we're going to go ahead and jump right in. As you can see, this is my makeup storage area. It's the Alex 9 drawer, and it's really not my favorite. I do have 4 drawers that are kind of just filled with random stuff in it. So we're going to go ahead and start with what's on top of it. So inside each drawer, there's these like little kitchen grips, which I really do love. It also goes with my room. And as we kind of slide over, I got these like little purple buckets from, I believe, the dollar store, like a 3-pack, and there's just like a couple little random things: marker, gum, a piggy because that's my favorite animal, and I believe that's Daffy Duck. In the back I have a mirror which is double-sided, a water bottle that I got from one of my best friends, a little teddy bear that supposedly has a pearl on it, but that's definitely a diamond, for my birth month. I did DIY this, a mason jar, and I did put makeup brushes in it. My little Polaroid camera I got for Christmas. And in the back of it is like a little thought bubble, and I just have Maine 2018 because that's the last time I did go to Maine, and it does light up, but the battery is dead. So we're gonna go ahead and get started in the drawers. So in this first drawer, it's just kind of like useful tools, I guess you could say. Like there's tape, different types of tape, command strips, little trash cans, erase, expo markers, an ace bandage, lotion, you know, kind of a little bit of essentials. And also I did buy, where are they? I did buy, oops, right here, I did buy like longer screws and bolts because the screws that come in this drawer, they don't hold. I don't know if that's just me, but they don't hold. So in this drawer, it's kind of like makeup related stuff. Like I have my makeup removers, backups of my primer, lashes, brow kit. I also have deodorant, you know, shampoo, free samples, makeup applicators, bath bombs, you know, all stuff that's kind of like related to makeup. This is the lid for the mason jar. I just wanted to stick it in there, so I did not lose it. Now the next 2 drawers are related to makeup. So in this drawer, I kind of just have smaller eyeshadow palettes / drugstore eyeshadow palettes. And here's just kind of like a quick overview along with a couple single eyeshadows as well. These are actually like blushes and bronzers that came in like a little kit I got for Christmas a few years ago. In this next drawer, it is very messy. I'm trying to figure out a way to organize it better, but in these 2 containers, I do have eyelashes, and then I have all my mascaras, some tools, face brushes, that's a little brush kit, mirror, eyebrow kit, and then here are smaller brushes, liners, brow products, stuff like that. In the next drawer are all my lippies. So I have anything from lip glosses to chapsticks to liquid lipsticks to regular lipsticks in this drawer. And again, I have another bucket for like my more chapstick stuff. The next drawer is my favorite drawer. Here's a quick overview of it. I'm going to go into detail to everything that's in here, but it's basically more high-end makeup. So I do love this drawer. It's very hard every day to pick a makeup look when I do my makeup. So the next drawer is like a full face of makeup stuff. There's foundations, primers, concealers in there. In here are travel size stuff, blushes, bronzers, highlighters, highlight kits, setting powders, and setting sprays in the back. And that's what this drawer looks like. In this drawer, I have backup makeup wipes, some koozies because I like to keep my iced coffee cold, and then I also have hair care products is basically what this drawer now consists of. This is the last drawer. It's basically tools, my dad's screw gun, screwdrivers, scissors, knives, stuff like that. so I just stuck them in the bottom. They were in the top drawer, and I did not like that, so I stuck them in the bottom. That is everything in my makeup collection. I was gonna go through everything like in detail, but I kind of think you guys got the overview of it. I do really love how the top of my dresser looks, and I do really like how I kind of have this organized. If you guys have any ideas on how to organize this, then let me know. A couple of these I did, you know, DIY myself. Like this was a fuzzy sock container, but I do like the idea of using plastic ones. I just think they look better. But like I said, if you guys have any ideas on how to help me, that would be greatly appreciated. So that was basically my makeup collection. If you guys want a more like in-depth video, like I tell you every product that's in my makeup, then please let me know. I will do that video for you guys. But right now, that was just kind of like a overview of my makeup collection. Like I said, I really do enjoy watching makeup videos, and I love seeing like what people's favorite makeup products are and everything like that. Other than that, I think that's it for the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post bell notifications so you never miss a video like this one. Comment down below what you guys like to see in my next video. And follow me on social media, which will be in the description box below. Make sure you guys all have a great day, and I'll see you guys the next time.